Hi friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about replication factor on Hadoop cluster. So currently I'm a EMR cluster and I'm going to explain the replication factor. This cluster is 3-node cluster. So let me create a file. You can see on my HDFS directory there's this file is there and this directory is there, and let me create a directory first. Okay, HDFS TFS -mkdir, and then I'm creating a directory mkdmixture, and what I'm going to list it, and I'm going to show you the permission. You can see mkdmixture and user is Hadoop. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create some file and upload here on this mkdmixture, and I'll test the replication factor. This is the file I'm going to create. Test.txt. Okay, so you can see this is the file text.txt. You can see hello mkdmixture, and I'm going to upload this file to mkdmixture. So the upload command is HDFS dfs-put test and then mkdmixture. Okay, so let me do a ls. You can see this file is there. You can see mkdmixture directory and test.txt is a file, and the replication factor is 1. Okay, user is Hadoop and group is Hadoop admin group. So you can see the replication factor is 1. So what is the command for replication factor? I need to increase the replication factor up to 2. So what is the command? HDFS dfs -help. Let me check whole command, and there's a command for replication. You can see setrep. Okay, so HDFS dfs -help and then setrep. You can see there's 2 parameter. One is -w and other is -R. -w is it requests that the command waits for the replications to complete. This can be potentially take a very long time, and -r it is except for backward compatibility. Okay, so another things, set a replication factor of a file. If a directory is specified on the command, then the replication factor is applied to all file under the directory. Okay, so that is the things we are going to test. So let me list once again HDFS dfs mkdmixture, and we are going to use a replication factor 2 for this file. Okay, so let me do the command HDFS dfs what is the replication factor command? Setrep, and then we are going to apply this mkdmixture and then test.txt. Okay, so some setrep, something mistake here. Okay, we didn't specify the replication factor, so let me specify 2. So let me do a ls HDFS TFS ls. You can see the replication factor is 2 and earlier it was 1. Okay, so let me set again 3. So let me do a ls. You can see replication factor is 3 now. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have created this replication to this file, and now what we are going to do, we are going to apply replication factor to a directory level. So let me create another file. mkg.txt, and then txt2 1. Okay, so this file we are going to copy. So let me put this file mkg.txt and mkd1.txt. So we are going to list this directory HDFS TFS mkd mixture. You can see the first file test.txt, we have replication factor 3, and this mkd1 we have replication factor 1 and mkd replication factor 1. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to apply this replication factor up to this folder. Okay, so let me do HDFS DFS -set setrep, and then we are going to use it to mkd mixture. There is something error. mkd mixture HDFS TFS setrep. We need to remove this hyphen. Okay, only 2. Sorry, 22 should not be there. It is only 2. Oh, we did 22. Let me HDFS TFS -ls. You can see the whole file under this directory is converted to replication factor 2. Okay, you can see earlier it was 3, 1 and 1. Okay, and now you can see 2, 2 and 2, and let me set a replication factor 3 to this directory. Okay, you can see whole file is converted to 3, and if I need to specify a specific file, then what I'm going to do, test.txt, the specific file we need to set a replication factor. For that, setrep 1. Okay, so let me do a list. You can see this specific file we have let replication factor 1, and rest of the file is 3. So friends, this is how you can use replication factor and the other parameter HDFS TFS -l setrep. Other parameter like -w and -r you can use for this purpose. Okay, let me use this one also. and this is the result. So waiting for mixture done. Okay, so it will take time. If you use this one, then it will take time. And hyphen capital R, let me use that, and we are going to use that mkd.txt and replication factor going to be true. Let me do that. It will be quite HDFS-ls. You can see it's changed. Okay, so friend, this is how you can use replication factor on Hadoop file system. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.